way from home, and then I realized I didn't have my GoPro, so now we turned around and we're on our way again. We made it to the airport. The weather was a little shitty, but we powered through it. I think we gotta go this way. Said I wanted a new truck, guys. Well, I just rented one. So we're going off on our adventure. We got the Dodge. Happy to have a four-wheel drive truck, that's for sure. But let's get going on our adventure.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me and come out with none, cause I'm so done. You had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff.
Now this is what I pictured British Columbia like, guys and girls. The mountains, little rest stops, a truck, beautiful wooden bridge, a road going up into the mountains. Let's go for an adventure. We're doing a lot different over here. So, no, keep coming. It doesn't care. See? It doesn't care.
Watch Zach get his ass kicked by some deers. Stop it.
So we were just driving down this road and found a lady that fell. So we helped her up. She had a pretty cut up hand and two very large dogs, so I'm covered in dog hair. But this is where today's adventure led us to. Guys, this is breathtaking. Look at the row of mountains. This is amazing. So, it's just down there. The path looks extremely icy. We're gonna make it down there and we'll get some videos while we're down there.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where.
So we went down to the hot springs, sat down there for about 2 hours. Extremely icy. If you're coming here in the winter, I would not recommend DC shoes. I'd recommend those spikes for your shoes so you get traction. But just look at the view here. It's just amazing. We're gonna head down this road and we're gonna go take a look at a lake that on the maps looks actually very, very breathtaking. So we're gonna head down there. So apparently there's two options to get to the hot springs. One, you can take the well-established, super icy path, or two, you can take the kamikaze path. Now, if you're gonna take the kamikaze path, I recommend a GT that has brakes. Because you pretty much, let's just walk down this very steep ledge here. You go straight down this rock face. Oh, almost fell. And there they are down there. Intense down there, isn't it? This is like one of those shows that you see on Discovery, the world's deadliest roads. One small step and you're into your doom down the rock face.
Blurry street lights work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I got in time.
It's got the bigger antlers. That way anyway. Sheep, goats, meh. I don't give a fuck at all. 3. There's a third one. Hey buddy, how's it going? Chicken cheese stick? You got a cheese stick? Fuck.
This is so cool.
We just stumbled across this huge herd of mountain sheep. They're huge. Like, look how close they're letting us get. That's pretty cool. We seen 2, we pulled down in here, and then we found a whole bunch more. But while looking at these, I found something that I'm super interested in. So I heard some noises, and I looked down here, and it's like an old automotive scrapyard down there. So I'm gonna go down there now, see what we can find. Now guys, this is what I think is cool. You have the complete fenders and running boards front and rear. These are probably to like a 40s car. Like, this is cool. And then you have another complete 40s car over here. Looks like it just drove down here pretty much. Liquor bottle right there where the engine should be. They look like they don't have any chassis underneath them. It's probably a 30s because of the suicide door. Late 30s, early 40s. And then that looks like a delivery van with the wood roof or vinyl roof. This one right here is like a 55, 54, 53 Chevy truck. Like, I'm actually looking for one of these to drive. I wish this was in so much better shape. This one here looks like a 30s truck. Oh my goodness. An International, maybe Chevy, Ford. 2006 scratched into it. Gas tank used to be underneath the seat probably on this. Like, this is cool. I love stuff like this. Another suicide door all folded up and in the wreck. There really ain't too much left of this one, but that one looks like a 40s truck, maybe a Ford. Looks like a split window, maybe a Chevy because it's got the extra windows here in the back. That looks like it for all the vehicles down here. But I love looking at old cars. You know, back in the day, scrap wasn't really worth anything. So you just basically drive them to a cliff or a lake or abandon them in fields. But now, everything's worth something. This one's even got some bullet holes in it. How about part of some bones? A hip bone, maybe? A bunch of old stuff over there. Anything cool? Like, it's still got the weather seal all the way around the back of it. Washing machine, table saw stove, Chevy fenders. This is pretty cool down here. But that thing right there has me. That's what got my attention. Well, let's make our way back up the hill.